Umphakathi usashaqekile ngesenzo sikamongameli sokuthi ashayele phansi phezu kwensolo eqinile ebhekiswe kusenzo mchunu. Nakuba abantu abaningi bekubona konke okubekwe umkhwanazi etafuleni, kodwa uRamaphosa umane wavulela ikhomishini ukuthi kube yiyona ephenyayo yenze konke. Esikhundleni salokho, abantu bakholelwa ukuthi bekufanele athathe inyathelo eqinile, athathe ubufakazi bese enikeza umchunu isigwebo esifanele. Kodwa kunalokho, uvele wathula wavulela ikhomishana abantu abaningi abangavumelani nayo, futhi abangasiboni isidingo sokuthi bekufanele ibe khona ngempela ngoba uNdonga uthi unabo bonke ubufakazi balokho akhuluma ngakho. Ngakolunye uhlangothi, ufikile mbalula ukuphika uma ngentaba ukuthi lezi nsolo ebekwa umchunu ziyiqiniso. Akukho akubeka etafuleni okubufakazi futhi akasho lutho ngobufakazi okuthiwa bukhona. Kodwa nje ame ngakho uthi lokhu okusolwa ngakho umchunu akulona iqiniso. Okusho ukuthi umchunu uyasukwelwa. Asazi ukuthi uthini ngobufakazi okuthiwa bukhona.
Because once serious allegations have been made, put on the table, they must then be verified. We can't in South Africa, in my view, and agreeing with the decision of the president, we can't be one-dimensional. We can't be one stream. We can't be just one-sided. Because if one person stands up and make allegations against you and then investigate those allegations, and then the same person do findings, and the same person delivers the verdict and say guilty or not guilty, whatever, one person, you can't call it, you can't relate it to the struggles for liberation, which was the same as the struggle for justice in the country. One side has spoken, all of us have heard, including the President of the Republic, including those of us who have been accused. Now, we then need an opportunity also to be heard in the same platform. That will have a neutral person in front of us, considering what has been alleged, but also considering what we will say. And I couldn't have wished for more in my South Africa, a country that wants justice for all.
And Minister, are you ready to present your side of the story, as you say, to the Commission? Are you ready to testify? And do you still maintain your innocence where these allegations are concerned?
Very soon after the President addressed the nation, I issued a statement that I welcome the decision of the President as in the address of the nation, to the nation, and I will cooperate with, to the fullest, and I will make myself available. And this is what I'm looking forward to. When I get told where and when, that is the only thing that I'm waiting, so that I can put across my side of the story about the allegation that have been directed against me.
And you maintain your innocence, Mantliwan?
Definitely. That is what I will be saying there. To say I am innocent, but put evidence and everything that I'll be saying. It's not just a question there of, otherwise I could have called a press briefing myself.